What's going on, you guys? Riley here. Today I just wanted to start this video off by showing you guys something extremely special to me, something I've been so eager to get for years. Now, to some of you this may not mean much, however to me it means the absolute world. So I'm just so thankful for all of the support, and just wanted to show you guys that I got my 100,000 subscriber silver YouTube play button in the mail yesterday, and I could not be happier. So this is actually YouTube's new design of the play button. They used to look, I'll show you a picture of what they used to look like. Now, however, they look like this, and I'm not sure how well you can see the writing. But there you go, you can see it says, presented to RP Productions for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. I mean, I never thought I would actually get one of these. It's something every YouTuber always dreams about when they start making videos. Is, oh man, I hope I can get a silver YouTube play button, and then some of those big shots that I want the gold play button at 1 million. But for me, it was always just get to 100,000 subscribers, and that was kind of always my goal. And for me to surpass that, I am so thankful for you guys' continued support. I truly mean that from the bottom of my heart. I know a lot of people will, they'll open these, you know, for YouTube and stuff like that. However, yesterday when I opened it, I was with my fiance. I felt that was kind of, it's a real personal moment for the two of us. She's pretty much the only one who has seen, you know, just how hard I've worked behind the scenes making these videos and doing all of the stuff that goes on behind the scenes. So, her and I yesterday, we opened this up, and it was a pretty cool moment. But once again, just wanted to say thank you to all of you, and this is really special. However, in today's video, we're not modifying YouTube play buttons. We are instead changing out the headlights on the Corvette back there. As you can see, these are painted black ones. Now, usually a set of headlights for a C6 Corvette, at least painted black, run about $1,100 to $1,200. That's a lot of money for some headlights. So I was like, no, I'm just gonna, you know, take mine apart and do them myself. And I guess I'm kind of getting ahead of myself here, so I should probably backtrack a little bit. So the reason I want to do this is because this passenger side headlight, ever since I got it, has some small leak somewhere. So anytime it rains, it has a bunch of condensation build up on the inside of the lens. And also, I can show you guys a shot now. The lenses are very yellowish and kind of smoky almost. And then as you can see, these are extremely clear. It's kind of a new design, but you can go look at pretty much any Corvette and you'll see the headlights do not look very good on them if they haven't replaced the lenses. So I've always planned on doing this, and also if I ever wrap the car or plastic dip it or whatever I want to do later on down the road, it would look weird with, you know, let's say I did a blue car and red headlights. So now with this piece of the puzzle, I can change the color of my car and it won't look funny. And I've always just kind of wanted black headlights. I've seen a bunch of pictures, they always look better. So today we're going to install these. Now, as I said, usually they're like $1,100, $1,200. Some guy on Facebook was selling these for $500. So I said, sure, why not? So today we're gonna swap these out. We're gonna wait for Kyle to show up. He's gonna be helping me out with the installation. And then after all of that, I guess we'll probably end up going to a car show tonight and filming whatever happens there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And oh, one last update. I know a lot of you have been asking, Riley, where's your drag setup that you keep talking about that you ordered so long ago? Actually, yesterday was my 2-month anniversary of placing the order for my welds. Good news, I got the UPS tracking number that will be at my house this week. So the next video you guys see, or maybe the video after that, it will be us testing out the welds and the drag radials, and also I have got my cam in the mail, so I will show you guys all the parts that are going on this car here in the next few weeks. So we got the cam and all the goodies to go along with it. So next video is going to be a big modification update. However, today we're going to just kind of take it chill. It's Saturday afternoon, install some headlights, go to a car show, just have a good time. So hope you guys enjoy. What's up, Jordan?
What's up, man?
How are you, buddy?
Oh, I'm chilling.
Kyle!
What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
I'm chilling. How are you?
You ready to play electrician?
Always.
Cool. All right, so just to show you guys what we're doing to remove the headlights. So there's a few T15 screws that are right in here. We're taking all of those out. And then there are a few more right up there. We took all of those out. And then we're actually able to lift up on the front bumper, and there's another one located right about here. And as you can see, that allows us to kind of bump the fender up a little bit. And then coming over here to the fender liner, as you can see, we've pulled that back, and then you actually reach into the bottom of the headlights, as you see right here. So that's the bottom of the headlight. As you can see, there's just 3 little studs that hold it in from the bottom. So we have to reach the bottom from the wheel liner, and it's not much room to work with in there. All right, well, now that we got ourselves a nice looking Pirate there with an eye patch, we're gonna go ahead and take this inside to the couch where we can flip it upside down and get out all the hardware. So there's the existing one. We had to transfer over the HIDs and all the bulbs and stuff like that into the new one. All right, so there's the headlight, got all the bulbs switched over. We're gonna make sure they work real quick. We got 2 out of 3. All right, so there you see the stock one on the left, the new one on the right. That is how they look, just sitting there. Now it's really hard to pick up on camera. I don't know if you can, but this is just not a super clear lens. It's seen some time in the sun. However, this is a nice fresh lens, looks a lot better. And here is what it looks like now. So I would say that that looks a lot more aggressive. Now I got some clear lenses. Hopefully these will not have condensation problems, but man, I am really happy with how that came out. Kyle, go ahead and turn them on, buddy. So, ooh, nice. So as you can see, we kept the stock bulbs in this car just because, honestly, I like the way it looks. I think that that looks so nice. You want to flick the high beams for me? You just get that, yeah, there you go. So that's with the high beams on. Never really use them, but yeah, I'm really happy with that. So I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Kyle over there, KC SVT on Instagram, and my boy Jordan, Jordan S550 on Instagram. So the least you guys could do is go follow my boys. They got some awesome Mustangs. I know, Mustangs. Ugh. So anytime you do work to headlights, you always want to make sure you adjust them back to their right position. So on this one, the left headlight was pretty high compared to the right. So now we're just leveling them out. As you can see, we have there's a little adjustment thing, which you can't really see. You can see that one. So there's a hole in there. There's an Allen head in there, 6mm Allen head. So yeah, you just adjust that to your desired height. So we got the headlights at the correct height. And the headlights are looking real nice. I'm so happy with that. I've been wanting to do that since I got this car, and I'm really glad that I did. Finally pulled the trigger on it. Very happy. All right, headlights are done. That took about probably an hour and a half or so to do. Now we're gonna go get some food. So let's climb in here. There's a headlight. Gotta love it. That's a pretty nice sunshine you got over there.
Appreciate it.
Hey buddy, how much did that thing cost?
More than you can afford.
Oh, got him. Let's play a game called Knock the GoPro Off. All right, well, it's about 9:30 now. We still have not ate dinner. However, we have met up with a few new friends. We got Zach here now. Hey Zach, how you doing, buddy?
Good. We're just here getting the fresh
So,
batch of kern.
you're
We'll
just
head out to Nature Coast.
Filling up with Kern.
Fresh tank of kern.
So we got Zach's 6 gin, my flop. Zach's really over here living up to the Kern-fed name, as you can see. And then Kyle's GT500 that is wrapped to Gloss Wicked, and Jordan's S550.
She's dirty.
Oh, nice. All right, guys. Well, it is obviously the next day because it is daylight out now. Kind of forgot to film much at the car meet. Didn't really want to be that guy going around filming people at my every Saturday car meet. However, here we are with an F-150 at work. This is my dad's truck, and I just gave him a late Father's Day present. I gave him a full detail, exterior, interior, the whole 9 yards. So he took this truck a lot off-road and in the brush and stuff, so there was like brush marks and scratches and stuff all down both sides of the truck. Was able to remove about 95% of those, so the truck looks pretty darn nice, if I do say so myself. It's got about 50,000 miles on it, and it looks brand new. And then moving on to the interior here. Interior looks pretty much brand new as well. He takes good care of it. Yeah, that 48,000 miles. He takes really good care of his truck. It just needed a little bit of detail love. One of the things I also did for him is I restored all of his black trim back to black. It was all faded and gray and stuff, so was able to restore all of that, and I think that he should be happy. If you guys need any detailing work, hit us up at Mob Auto Boutique. We can set you up with paint corrections, ceramic coatings, the whole 9 yards, as well as vinyl wrapping, plasti dipping your car, powder coating, chrome deletes, anything you guys want. Hit us up on Instagram, get you a quote, and get you in here, or just swing by during business hours in the week. But that just about sums up today's video. I know it was kind of all over the place and stuff like that, but I promise next video will be all about power modifications and testing out the new drag radials. So I'm very excited for that. But until then, hope you guys have a great week, and I will see y'all in the next video. Take it easy.